What's up, guys? So, it is sprinkling out here. Don't know if you can tell. I think it just stopped, but it's been sprinkling on and off all day. So I thought it'd be a good idea to talk about, or at least show you guys, if you can wheelie in the rain. And short answer to that is, yeah, you definitely can. So, power wheelies are going to be easier, in my opinion. Because when you do clutch ups, you're just putting so much instant power to the back wheel, it's easier to spin out. Doesn't mean you can't do it, you definitely can. I'll be doing some when the roads get right. After this corner, I can kind of show you a little power wheelie. And there you go. And it's got a lot of trees in my neighborhood, like all this stuff, and I'm always like terrified that my back wheel's gonna spin out, you know, more than I can handle. You know, like a little spin out's, you know, fine. I can manage that, but I just don't want to be spinning out forever, you know what I mean? Like if I spin out a little bit doing a clutch up and then it catches or it doesn't, you know, that's fine. But I don't want to be spinning out and like never getting traction, you know what I mean? It's a nice day. I mean, it's cloudy and it's been sprinkling on and off, which sucks, but it's not a bad day. The weather's good. It's not hot, not cold. Okay, let's see about a little clutch up. Okay, that was a little wild, but we did it and I didn't feel it spinning at all, so we'll take it. We'll take it. We're warming up after all. We're warming up. Also, I just started doing wheelies like a week or so ago, so sometimes they're going great and other times it's a little suspect. See, that spun out from me. That sucked. Yeah, it's a little bumpy over there. I can do one more before I have to start going like actual highway speeds. Okay, we're doing it. It smells like charcoal. I don't know if it's that truck up ahead, if you see the smoke coming out of the tailpipe, but it smells like charcoal or something like that. Yeah, it's gotta be that truck. Also, guys, I've got a lot of friends that are scared to ride in the rain, and just to set the record straight, unless you're on completely bald tires and trying to go full throttle in corners, you're fine. Like, you can ride in the rain, it is not that big of a deal. You can ride when the roads are wet, you know, you're not gonna crash the second you lean the bike. You know, you're gonna be just fine. You just want to avoid the paint strips, like the yellow or the white, especially if you're leaning. So when I do have to change lanes, if I'm gonna be leaning, I try to go in between the paint. I doubt anything would happen, but better safe than sorry. I've seen a lot of people, at least on the internet, go down from leaning too hard, you know, on a paint strip in the rain. I love that. This is such a fun bike. It really is. Like, if you guys don't have like an MT-09 or an MT-07, you need to get one. I mean, the torque is just like so much freaking fun. Man, people are not paying attention. I am kind of in a rush though. I felt like I was drifting left and I didn't want to run off the road, so I had to put her down. Appreciate you looking, buddy. Visor's fogging up. How do you ever get bored of that? Like, just a little throttle and the wheel comes up. I don't know how people get bored of that. Like, even if you don't like doing like full wheelies. Let's see if I can get parking in front of Barnes & Noble. Ooh, like Rob is here. Alright guys, well here we are, so might continue the video after this, I don't know, but we'll find out. Anyways, thanks for watching, appreciate you guys, let me know what you want to see next. Bye bye.